Two heavyweights in the mid-range smartphone arena, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro and the Redmi Note 14 Pro, both pack impressive features. But which one truly stands out? Let's break it down across key categories and see who leads the pack. Design and build quality. Both phones sport a sleek plastic body with curved edges and cunning Gorilla Glass, protecting their displays, a practical choice for durability. The Redmi 14 Pro feels slightly heftier in the hand, which might appeal to those who like a little bit of weight, while the Tecno Camon keeps it light and nimble. A standout feature on the Camon 40 Pro is its customizable AI button, similar to that of iPhone's action button. You can program it to launch apps, snap photos, or perform other shortcuts. Pretty cool, right? Meanwhile, Redmi tempts buyers with a broader range of color options, including a striking black variant. In this category, design is subjective, but the Tecno edges out slightly with its innovative AI button. Call it a narrow win for creativity. Display quality. Both devices come with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display offering vibrant colors, sharp detail and smooth scrolling. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel responsive, whether you are on social media, watching YouTube or gaming. Additionally, both phones feature an always-on display to quickly check notifications without unlocking your phone. There is no major difference here, so it is a draw. Performance. Both phones are equipped with the Helio G100 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Benchmarks and gaming tests show that both devices handle demanding tasks and gaming smoothly with minimal lag. Since they share similar specs, same processor, same RAM, same storage, you won't really find a clear winner here, so it is a draw. Next is AI features. Here is where things get spicy. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro pulls ahead with a suite of AI-powered tools that rival flagship phones like the iPhone and Samsung Galaxy series. Meet Ella, Tecno's smart assistant, which offers features like smart touch, call assistance, translation assistant, social assistant, and documentation assists, like summarizing and drafting documents on the fly. Plus, you get extras like Circle to Search, AI wallpaper generator, and AI notes. While Redmi, on the other hand, keeps it simpler with Google Gemini Assistant, an image eraser pro, and an image generator. Solid, but it is not as flashy. The Tecno takes the lead with a robust AI arsenal. The software. The Redmi Note 14 runs on HyperOS based on Android 14, while the Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with iOS 15 on Android 15. While Redmi promises 3 years of software upgrades, Tecno offers 2 years. However, both phones will be able to upgrade to Android 17 in the future. So in terms of software longevity, both phones are similar. It's a tie. Redmi wins with longevity, while Tecno on immediacy. You can pick your priority. Now the camera. For photography fans, this one is for you. Tecno Camon 40 Pro rocks a 50MP Sony main sensor, delivering sharp and vibrant shots. The Redmi Note 14 Pro, on the other hand, has a whopping 200MP main camera plus OIS, that means optical image stabilization, for steady high-resolution captures. Both devices feature an 8MP ultra-wide lens for expansive shots. On the selfie front, Tecno has 50MP front camera, which outmuzzles Redmi's 35MP shooter, but raw megapixels don't tell the whole story. Reviews suggest Redmi's overall camera system, thanks to that 200MP sensor and OIS, which produces clearer, more polished results. The battery. Both devices feature non-removable batteries, but there is a slight difference in capacity. The Redmi Note 14 Pro is equipped with a 5500 mAh battery that supports 45 watts fast charging, while the Tecno Camon 40 Pro comes with a 5200 mAh battery, also supporting 45 watts fast charging. User reviews shows that Redmi 14 Pro offers 9 to 10 hours of screen on time, while the Tecno Camon 40 Pro delivers around 8 to 9 hours of screen on time. With a larger battery and a longer screen time, the Redmi takes the edge here. Sound and connectivity. Audio-wise, both phones deliver a dual speaker, high-resolution audio, and Dolby Atmos support. No noticeable difference in quality or volume. Connectivity is equally solid. Wi-Fi, USB 2.0, and reliable network performance across the board. Both also boast an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, plus dual SIM support. Another tie, no surprises here, both are well equipped. Unboxing. Inside the box is business as usual, a 45 watts charger, a basic case, and the phone itself. Nothing groundbreaking, but you are covered from day one. For the price, Redmi Note 14 Pro goes for 375,000 32,800 naira. That's for the 8GB and 256GB variants. While Tecno Camon 40 Pro of the same variant goes for 353,000 naira. Tecno undercuts Redmi by about 22,800 naira. In conclusion, the Redmi Note 14 Pro offers a more well-rounded package, especially for those who prioritize photography and battery life. With its 200MP camera, large battery is an excellent choice for those looking for camera performance and endurance. However, if you are into AI-enhanced features, display quality, and want more affordable option, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro stands out with its advanced AI tools and sleek design. Ultimately, the decision comes down to what features matter most to you. Whether you prioritize AI capabilities or camera qualities, both phones have a lot to offer. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate your continuous support. From us to you, stay creative, live in the moment. Till we meet next time, bye for now.